Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase team coordination with Basecamp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Basecamp account.
Once you're in, navigate to your project dashboard. Click on the specific project where you want to improve team coordination. On the project page, locate the message board feature. Use the message board to post updates and important announcements. Encourage team members to share their own updates here. Next, explore the to-dos section of your project. Create a new to-do list dedicated to team tasks. Assign tasks to individual team members for clarity. Set due dates to keep everyone on track. Utilize the Docs and Files section for sharing important documents. Upload relevant files that team members need access to. Use Basecamp's Campfire feature for real-time conversations. This will help maintain an open line of communication. Check the Schedule feature to plan out important meetings. Add events that require team participation to keep everyone informed. Encourage team members to check off completed tasks regularly. This promotes accountability and boosts morale. Make use of the automatic check-ins to gather feedback. Set recurring questions to keep the team engaged. Review the progress through reports available in Basecamp. These insights will help you identify areas for improvement. Create a culture of collaboration by inviting feedback on ongoing projects. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss team dynamics and project progress. Encourage team members to use Basecamp continuously. Regular usage will enhance familiarity and improve overall coordination. Remind the team to celebrate completed tasks and milestones. This fosters a positive environment and encourages continued collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.